Bamboo Forum of India observes 10th World Bamboo Day at Lamyanba, Shamlin. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan encourages to promote bamboo products to boost economy. And the Registrar of Cooperative Society, Robert Ketmayum, calls to strengthen Cooperative Society of Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Bamboo Forum of India observed 10th World Bamboo Day at Lamyanba Shanglin in Palace Compound today. Speaking at the event, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan appeals to promote bamboo products, seizing the opportunity of India's AGIS policy to boost the state's economy. He further urged people to work on producing the right items from the bamboo varieties available in the state. Dr. R.K. Ranjan felicitated eminent bamboo craftsmen in the event. 5-day bamboo craft exhibition also kicked off today on the occasion. Painting competition and symposium cum lecture program on bamboo and bamboo products will be held during the 5-day event.
Let us try to popularize the use of our native bamboos. Adu sida nate tonga dong apply gi tholai ba kholai ma yam se ma si torga ngasi gi khoi gi leiriba khoi gi thabak subham nomham leitaba tolop chaba thabak nataba subham nomham leitaba khoi gi growing youth sing sida bamboo mission gi bamboo technology sida khoi na skill development se ma sida pb raga khoi gi naharol sing se make in Manipur se ma si mai pakna ba ai mission gi kambu dai haijeningi act is policy lakus the Southeast Asia da leiriba bamboo the base to wa Chinjak mayam se aikoina karmaina participate torka da koina excel to hugdage se ngasi gi mission sidagi akoi.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham led people in planting tree saplings on the banks of the historical Chandra Nadi at the foothills of Haibokching today. Narankhonjin Coordinating Club, a conglomerate of 3 local clubs of Langtabal constituency, organized the tree plantation drive aimed to save the world from the prevailing climatic change. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Karam Sham lamented at the deplorable condition of the historically significant Chandra Nadi, which was once a famous water route during the time of Maharaj Gambhir Singh. Stating that valley inhabitants have started mass plantation drives, he appeals to hilly inhabitants to stop felling of trees. He also urged the people to nurture the saplings planted today to maturity and save the environment.
Aduna singi praja singda aise minister moina lebang ngak padayawa minister in charge aina appeal amakak tawjani mana akhoi singi lamdamda horiba ujau chingche masi yaragadi yanthat piganu masina maram ojek Haugi bada ising ichau karak thokpa handangna nong suksu sudabase masigi maruoiba factor di singi hauriba ujau mayam ama yanthalaga adi tongan ba hiram da sin agi basina maram oidana madugi effect na haibase adi miam puna mangna khangna rabu wafamni aduna tampak ta leiriba sumaina singi praja singnasu Manipur praja pumbagi apunbagi isha yauna khanbiraga ishagi chu khanbiraga akhoi uje pak sanna thabagi thabak ama sathamina si haidana di appeal tawjari thank.
Registrar of Cooperative Society Government of Manipur, Robert Ketmayum IAS, stated that the Cooperative Society of Manipur is at a least developed stage due to the inefficiency of its major constituents such as PACs and other apex bodies. He was speaking at a 3-day program on developing PACs into multi-purpose societies organized by the Institute of Cooperative Management at its conference hall in Lamphilpat today. Robert Ketmayum stressed on the need to identify the weaknesses leading to such predicament and to work on them to fully develop cooperative society of the state.
Program is a mari lainana. Taibasing, Hoina Chitaki, Pangadru knowledge sings. Craibo Yona Hoina practical in a Panto Pogami, my pa, Namani, a swiver, a swan Baleragana. Cry the give we must make a PI. Proper work plan, business plan, labor toy. Packs could Masigi proper planning, Masigi system Manaina, Shemagam, the Chatpagam Tragedy, Packs do Mapangan Kaloi, Matamama Mutki, Malan Baitoxi to it, the same, Queen and Namgada would open as
Students' Union of Kanglei Park Suk held its 8th Foundation Day celebrations at the conference hall of Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS in Manipur University campus today. Speaking on the sidelines, Suk President Dhanakumar Ningthogjal asserted that Students' Union of Kangleipak Suk was formed solely for the betterment of the student society and the people of the state. Asserting that Suk has taken countless initiatives in solving various issues of the state, he maintained that Suk will stand firm against any threats to the territorial integrity of the state. Dean of Students' Welfare, Manipur University, Professor Ratan Kumar, CCSK President Jitendra Ningomba, and Reader of Center for Study of Social Exclusion and Inclusive Policy, Manipur University, Dr. T.H. Bharat attended the event. Prizes were distributed to winners of the spelling competition organized by Suk at the event.
lamdam masigidamak leibak miyamgidamak kanglipakgidamak khongkhom chetna lepaga loinana thokdang kaya loduna mangjin thaduna lagli matung tarakpadasu kanglaipaksida singnarakpa kanglipakgidamakta kanglaipak bu manghanaba mulanaba honarakpa singnarakpa khudimak sukna khongkhom chetna lepaga loinana adungai ipa ipu singi aikoida cheliba I maramaduna akhoi ipa ipu singna adungai lamdam masibu ngakpi senbiramba adugumna sukna achauba sukki mairoi singna amadi sukna chau thokdang kaya lobu loinana ngasigi lamdam masida kanglipak asida singnarakpa khudimak khongphom chetna lepaga loina thengnagane habo phamasi mida.
Executive Engineer, Public Health Engineering Department, Technopal District, in a press release informed that there will be no water supply in areas under Moray Wards Number 1 due to electrical line problem at Water Reserve Tank, Moray Wards Number 1. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on India's target to achieve $26 billion defense industry by 2025. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has said India will achieve $26 billion defense industry by 2025. Speaking at the annual function of Society of Indian Defense Manufacturers, Rajnath Singh said the defense sector has been identified as one of the most prominent sectors under Make in India initiative to realize $5 trillion economy by 2024. He said the performance of Indian defense industry has not been commensurate with its potential in past. The minister said a country with such size and global prominence cannot rely on imports for arms. He said investment of $10 billion US dollar and creation of 2.3 million employment opportunities is envisaged. Rajnath Singh said simplification of procedures for defense exports has resulted in export of 10,745 crore rupees in 2018-19, which is nearly 7 times the export achieved in 2016-17. He said a target of $5 billion for exports has been set till 2024. Referring to the strong IT industry of the country, Rajnath Singh said that a roadmap has been prepared to promote artificial intelligence in national security to make India a significant power in defense artificial intelligence. It has been planned to develop 25 defense-specific artificial intelligence products by 2024. Indian Air Force has successfully flight tested air-to-air missile Astra off the coast of Odisha. The missile was launched from a Sukhoi Su-30 MKI combat aircraft on Monday as a part of user trials. According to the Defense Ministry, a live aerial target was engaged accurately by the Astra, while the mission profile was executed in a textbook manner. The missile was tracked using radars, electro-optical tracking sensors, and struck its target successfully. The missile has been developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, the premier research and development organization of the armed forces. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh congratulated DRDO and Air Force teams for the successful test. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi today. Prior to her leaving for the national capital, Mamata Banerjee said at the Kolkata airport that she will raise some pertinent issues with the Prime Minister, which include changing name of the state, merger of public sector banks, issues of Air India, BSNL, and releasing of funds that are due to the state. This is the first meeting between the two leaders after Narendra Modi became Prime Minister for the second term. Altogether, 28 individuals have reportedly lost their lives in the boat capsized incident which occurred at Devipatnam in East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh on Sunday. Rescue teams are undergoing search and rescue operations. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has ordered a high-level probe into the mishap. Now the sports news. India's all four boxers entered the quarterfinal of the ongoing IBA Men's World Boxing Championship held in Ekaterinburg, Russia. The boxers are Amit Pangal in 52 kg, Manish Kaushik in 63 kg, Sanjeet Singroha in 91 kg and Kavinder Bish in 57 kg category. It may be mentioned that Amit Pangal is a gold medalist of the Asian Games and Manish Kaushik a silver medalist of the Commonwealth Games. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Bamboo Forum of India observes 10th World Bamboo Day at Lamyandat, Shanghai. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan encourages to promote bamboo products to boost the state economy. And Registrar of Cooperative Society Robert Ketremayum calls to strengthen Cooperative Society of Manipur.